Today we are going to make this earring using the pizza package savers, and this is going to be the fifth pattern out of pizza package savers. So I have cut the legs of this using the paper knife and made a ring like this. So you can use this, and I'm using these two colors of yarn to make the earring. So let's get started. We need to start with a slip knot. Now we need to keep the ring like this, and we are going to start doing single crochets into the ring. So insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn and pull through the ring. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, then grab the yarn and pull through 2. Again insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn and pull through the ring. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now likewise you need to complete 60 single crochets around the ring. So you can continue until you get 60 single crochets around the ring and meet me back. Now I have completed 60 single crochets into the ring, and after that we need to put a slip stitch to the first stitch we have done. So insert the hook into the first stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first round. So we are going to start the second round, chain 1 and make 6 single crochets to the next 6 stitches. So we will start, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. We need to complete another 4 to make it 6. Okay, now I have completed 6 single crochets, and after that we are going to join the other color. Start with a slip knot, and you have to pull this new color loop through the other color like this and pull this tail to tighten it up. And now we are going to start working with the new color. Now we need to make another 6 single crochets to the next 6 stitches. So insert the hook into the next stitch and grab the yarn and pull through the stitch. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. When you are working with different colors, you have to make sure that you are working over the tails of the other colors. So you need to work over these 2 tails, and we will do the next 5 single crochets. Now I have completed 6 single crochets from the second color. Then again we are going to work with the previous color. Again we will make 6 single crochets with the previous color. Now again grab the other color and make another 6 single crochets to the next 6 stitches. Now just like the same, we have to continue until the end of this round. So complete until the end of this round and meet me back. Now I have completed that round. So after that we are going to take this color and start working the third round. So the third round is going to be single crochets to each one of these stitches on the second round. So insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Then you can pull this tail to tighten it up, and then continue to do single crochets to each one of these stitches on the second round. After doing few single crochets to the third round, we can cut the previous color yarn by leaving for about 1 inch. And after that we can continue to do single crochets again. Now like this you can continue until the end of this round and meet me back. Now I have completed all the way up to the end of this round. So after that we have to put a slip stitch to the first stitch over here. Insert the hook into the first stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Now chain 1 and pull the loop, then you can cut the yarn off. Now you can hide the tail using the yarn needle. Insert the yarn needle into few stitches and pull the needle from the other side and cut the yarn off. Now I will show you how to insert this jump ring and the hook ear wire. Open the jump ring using the plier and insert the jump ring to a stitch like this. Then you can put the hook ear wire, close the jump ring using the plier. Now we have completed it. I hope I have explained everything clearly. If you want to see more patterns of making earrings using the pizza package savers, I will put the links on the description box below. So if you have any question regarding making this, you can comment on the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and you can share it too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.